Today we're deep in the woods of southwestern Ohio, kind of in the middle of nowhere, and we're looking for gigantic trolls. We finally made it to the Aullwood Audubon Center, where there is something amazing in these woods. Let's go check it out. We found our map. It's a 3-mile loop for artist Thomas Dambo's The Troll That Hatched an Egg exhibit here in Dayton, Ohio at the Aullwood Audubon. Let's start the trail and see if we can find some hidden trolls. Alright, I got a little lost, but here's our first clue that the troll's nest is this way. These woods are huge. It's a 3-mile loop, and of course I was too proud to get a map, and I'll figure it out. Kind of wishing I got a map now. Alright, I think we made it to our first spot I was looking for. I can honestly say I've never been inside of a troll's nest. So if you see a gigantic nest like this, there's a good chance you have giant trolls living in your woods also. Let's see. Please do not climb in the nest. Do not remove decorations. The trolls want everyone to be safe. Alright, I can respect that. Let's go see what's inside. Nice. Now these huge white tanks are supposed to resemble the eggs of the trolls, and they're being kept safe here in their nest. And it's a beautiful day. I played hooky from work because I knew it would be a beautiful day. And who am I kidding? I took a vacation day. 75 degrees. We're down here in Dayton, Ohio area. I think technically it's called Aullwood. I kept seeing signs. And our first stop here, the troll's nest, is a major success. I love how these huge tanks represent the eggs of the troll. Now let's go deep in these woods and see if we can find the trolls themselves. Here we go. Alright, after a bunch of searching without my map, we found our second clue to Bibbi, who's the daughter troll. These trolls are done by artist Thomas Dambo, and he's from Copenhagen, Denmark, and is the world's leading recycle artist. He's been helping giant trolls come to life for over 10 years. He works with local volunteers, and he has his own artistic team. Oh, and I think I see Bibbi up there. Bibbi is in flight, and she's right up here. Oh, let's take a little peek before we get the close bird's eye. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. This is one of the most beautiful pieces of art I've ever seen. And it's outside in these woods in the middle of nowhere. Thomas Dambo. His main objective is to get everyone outside and active again by turning trash into treasure. And this is the daughter troll, Bibbi, taking flight. This is the first one he's done standing on one foot. And it's amazing. Oh my god. So cool. Just look at all the detail in the face. It's so good. Wow. Look at the size of that foot. Takes up my whole lens. Love how the hair is made out of sticks. Fallen sticks that were already on the ground. The body made of recycled pallets. Can't believe the attention to detail. And Bibbi, the daughter taking flight. It's kind of a nod to the Wright Brothers Association with the Dayton, Ohio area. And how appropriate that we have a plane taking off right there. Alright, I think we found our next clue to the father troll, Bo. Says we gotta go this way. I should have worn my wolf costume like a young Max from Where the Wild Things Are. It definitely has those vibes from my favorite book as a kid. I think these trolls actually saved this place, or gave it a rebirth, if you will, because they had to shut down for 16 months during the pandemic. And they might have been struggling a little bit. And I think we're close to the dad troll. We made it to troll number 2. The dad troll, Bo. And here he is right over here. He's clutching his staff here. I love how that tree was already there and they just built the troll around it. His foot is up on the riverbank. He's got a nice little stream he's here protecting. That's my favorite part. The tree was already there and they built him clutching it like a staff. I gotta take a closer look. And hopefully I don't bust my rear. We made it to the dad troll, Bo. It's pretty awesome. Oh, there he is, looking down upon us. His hair made out of recycled sticks. Look at his thumbnail is bigger than my fist. It's amazing. Let's see if we can get a little detail in the face here. Oh, I got some great lighting right now. That's amazing. Bo from Thomas Dambo. Well, I walked another mile and there's no sign of the mama troll. But we're not giving up. Alright, we got our first clue for mama troll. There's an awesome swamp right over here and a farm to explore with some animals. Check out this awesome swamp. This place is great. Definitely got my exercise in for today. I love how right in the middle of these deep, dark woods full of trolls. It opens from there to this awesome farm. I see cows, chickens. Hello. Are you guys enjoying the nice weather too? Hello friends. Have you seen the mama troll? It's a feeding frenzy. You're not a troll. You're a happy little pig. Oh, the mama troll's that way? Okay, I'll be right there. Oh, why would she be on this sunny farm? Of course she'd be in this shadowy, dark corridor of darkness. It's alright. We've already conquered 2 trolls. We can do it. If the trolls don't get you, this killer bee box will. So we got the bees over there. A mama troll who's larger than life in dark woods with killer birds. We're going in. Hello? Hello? We did it. We found all 3 trolls. Here's the mama troll protecting her egg. It was a long journey, but we finally made it. So until we meet again, I just want to say thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.